Then comes the XSLT part, right? So the first thing is a very basic funda is of template match, right? So this is all standard. Yeah, these are the headers. Yeah, now the template match. So XSLT is. The first basic thing is it works on an XML, right? So you need to have an XML and then you write the XSLT. Let me see if I have one which I can show. So let's see this one, what the text is here. Okay, so here, what we are doing is, where is the template match? Is this one. For this I need to show you the XML. Where can we get that? Let's see the. Or then I will have to write it. Okay, suppose this is the one. Okay, so you see this XML, right? And let me do. Okay, so suppose these are the. This is an XML, right? Probably after you convert from CSV to XML. This is your output. So you have how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, right? In this 6 rows, you see that for employee 1, 2, 3. There are how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, yeah, but there is one tag which is different. You have December page and March page. Right now, say your final output, an XSLT is used for transforming the XML. Right. And when I say transforming the XML, what does that mean? Now, what transformation I want is this, that I want this XML to be converted. To yeah. So what is happening now here? If you see how many employees are there, this is 1 employee, this is 2, this is 3, total 3 employees, right? But there are rows of 5. Yeah, so I want it to be converted like this. First employee becomes 1, but it has a child which has, it is all the different tags combined into one. Then you have the second employer and you have the third. Right now, this transformation can be done in XSLT. Right, or say if there is a date here, you want to change the date format. That can also be done in XSLT. Now, converting this XML into a different XML is done via XSLT. XSLT can convert your XML into either an XML or also into a text, a comma-separated file. That can also be done right now. For that you have different functions and all that. Now, here you see, we are doing a group right and grouping based on what employee. Yeah, okay. So in this case, how do you write an XSLT, right? So let me say add. So this is a sample. Now, here we have to write. So here, if you see for this XSLT to work on this one. Right now it is saying, the template match slash means this whole thing will come into the memory of XSLT code. So XSLT code will work on this highlighted part. Root tag right from the root right, yeah, but if I write here template match root, then what will happen? Then only this part will come into the memory and the code will work on this. If you say root / row, then what will happen? Then it will only execute on this part after the root. Then no, It does not make any sense, right? So now what we generally do is we do a slash because, say, I am getting on okay after that. Now there is this kind of function, right? So you give after that. Whatever you will give like this result. Result will be in your output XML. Okay, now here. We have not written anything.